especially for a law firm, because the lifeblood of your firm is the phone.
Sure.
So, like, handing off that phone call to an outside service is like, I don't know. It's to me, it's like a leap of faith. And so I don't take that lightly. I understand, but I'm sure that a lot of lawyers out there feel hesitant to sort of outsource this process. Why would you say reaching out for phone answering help is the right decision for your firm?
Well, well, certainly it was the right decision for my firm, but more importantly, I think it's the right decision for most every firm. I always thought that, I'm a trial lawyer. I stand up in front of a jury. I try to convince them. I ask them for money, right? I think, you have a certain way. You're personable, whatever. You're a people person, whatever that may be. I was finding, and it's a slow realization because it's a shot to the ego, that I'm not great or as good as I think I was on intakes or on the phone, right? Because, if a client calls me and, they've got a good case, I'm like, okay, yep, you got a good case. I'll email you the paperwork. We'll do this. You'll e-sign. We'll do that, blah, 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 and we're good to go. They want much more, and that's not my wheelhouse. Is not what I do. It's your wheelhouse, and it's what you do. So once I came to that realization that, hey, I'm not as good as I think I was, and you guys are better, then why not? Only a fool would not take advantage of that.
That's really funny. But I see it almost as the same thing, like getting a traffic ticket, right? I could go to court.
Sure.
I could try and talk to people. They don't want to talk to me. I don't know what I'm talking about. They're never going to see me again. We don't have a relationship. I don't know the ins and outs. I don't even know where I'm going. I don't know where to park, So it's like, let the experts handle it. Why would I not call somebody who's practiced in that field and allow them to handle it? So I like that metaphor that it's like, I think I'm really good, but maybe I'm not. I think I'm a smart guy. I can go talk to.
But also, is it the optimum use of your time, right? I mean, if COVID taught us anything, and even before then, it's it's time management, it's optimization of your time. I'm not sure. I think it was Naval Ravikant who said, figure out what you're worth per hour, what you would bill per hour, and let's just say it's $100, just to make up a number. Anything that if you run to the supermarket or the dry cleaners, and it takes an hour, if you could pay somebody $50 to do those chores in that hour, you've saved $50 and you can focus on growing your business and what you need to focus on. I'm not making money. I'm not here to serve my clients by going to the grocery store, right?
I love that idea. And people think of that as spending money. They don't think of that as allowing themselves to earn more money.
Right.